There was clearly a strategy going on in the direction they pulled the tree, which is unbelievable. Oh, okay, I got mine. A rotten tree and a collapsed house. This was a close call. We're just glad no one got hurt afterwards. Sometimes it's so dire that it's best to leave it to the professionals, especially when your home is at risk.
Handling large trees near your home always comes with significant risks. Carefully assess whether you have the skills and expertise to handle this task, otherwise you could face costly damage. Any wrong move could have serious consequences. Doing this job requires professionalism and absolute precision in assessing the height of the tree, the diameter of the trunk, the natural inclination, and most importantly, the safety distance.
Every job is different and full of surprises. Woodworking is challenging and requires a lot of experience. This is a simple, easy to understand video tutorial with no unnecessary information. All you need to safely cut down an ashtray.
It's your job. Precision like a chess player preparing a perfect checkmate move.
That tree just disappeared, by the way. Can anyone tell me why all these loggers always drop their saws so close to the base of the tree where it can crush it?
This is my only warning. Don't do it. Don't do it. Oh, the tree fell down and crushed the car.
Most importantly, the impressive moment, a giant tree was conquered by him easily. He has experience in cutting trees. His movements look so skillful.
Before starting, he confidently stated that it would not hit the house. Trust him, and the result is divine.
This video is the perfect reminder to plan before you cut. Fighting an overturned tree is like playing chess with nature. The saw and the operator handle it like professionals.
is going on here? There are no warning signs that danger is coming. Stay away from the danger area unless absolutely necessary.
Where are we going? You okay? They're pulling. Let's hope for the best, otherwise my fence is going to fall down. Wow, this is a perfect example of Mother Nature, not following any script.
Sometimes it's all about working smarter, not harder. This tree has no chance against that perfect technique. The cut looks like the tree made a choice to have it, and that was not a good choice for the car.
With just a few simple saw strokes, he was able to quickly knock down the tree.
For a true professional, tree cutting is like solving a math problem. It's all about precision and calculation. Get it right and success is guaranteed.
Logging on steep slopes is dangerous, and significant risk is important. And careful safety protocols, including the use of appropriate protective equipment, are paramount to minimizing potential risks.
Yes, that loud crack was like the tree telling its last story before resting forever.
Oh, even the most experienced professionals face challenges. It is important that they always follow safety rules.
Watch these experts at work. Their tree cutting techniques are perfect and guaranteed to cause no harm.
The way it sways before hitting the ground is so mesmerizing, it's like a symphony of nature. That tree just being near him makes your heart skip a beat for a second. on the sound of the tree like the last breath of a giant. So scary.
Put a heavy log through a house, a small slide, and it will be a patterned rug for every home.
What a terrible tree, and the team handled it like pros, with steel guns and a car. The power of teamwork and the right tools. Nothing can beat style. This is nature's saw, the powerful, soothing sound of a tree falling.
Looks like a tree. He hit me. I took his chainsaw.
I've seen trees fall, but this dead pine took it to a whole new level. It exploded on impact, going crazy in every direction.
This scene looks both impressive and a little thrilling. Cutting down a tree this big near beautiful houses requires serious skill and precision. Hope everything goes well. The disaster made it go halfway, only to turn back because it forgot.
Fell down a powerful yet elegant fall like a natural bow.
Even a dead rotting cherry tree can pose some challenges, but with the right skills, it will land safely without any problems. Unpredictable accuracy. Unbelievable cutting down a tree right between two houses without a single scratch. What a talent. It's amazing how strong these trees are when they are uprooted. Watching professionals work on a slope with long cables is thrilling, but incredibly impressive. The tree seems to be the perfect tool for the job.
The men clearly can't take down a giant right in front of their house, and that's the punch that can't be expected.
The huge logs required him to have great skill and responsibility to knock down the branches. Who knew tree felling could be so efficient and beautiful? Who in one method takes tree felling to a new level?
Oh my God, it was dangerous. Luckily, he avoided a disaster. The treetop fell straight down and he avoided it.
Unfortunately, this is an example of lack of planning and calculation leading to unnecessary failure. Every tree has its own unique sound, right? Just listen carefully. These two guys are struggling with the tree. Their coordination is so good, they took down the tree easily.
The way he used the second tree to cut down the first trio, though perfect, saves time.
This is why it is important to remove rotten trees in the forest, as they are silent traps ready to collapse without warning. Oh my God, it requires a professional level worker in handling this tree and should be kept away to ensure safety while working. I have always admired the skill and strength it takes to be a lumberjack, but it is incredibly difficult and dangerous work. Hats off to those brave and tough enough. Do you think the trees seem to be stalking the loggers makes you wonder if they are infected?
This is exactly why tree felling is so unpredictable. Situations like this are something every professional strives for.
They are real professionals, all about engineering. The giant has been defeated.
Big blade, big skill tree will land exactly where intended. One master class in professional tree felling.
It's truly a majestic and dangerous scene. You can't take your eyes off it.
This guy just showed what a real pro can do. That tree fell exactly where it needed to, and without any problems. Impressive.
This tree was signaling get out of there, go there. Nature really knows how to annoy you. He was lucky to realize it early.
One beautiful moment we have collected dedicated to this powerful and dangerous work.
Damn. That was the sound of a giant in the deep forest. The tree was knocked down. The sound of the tree falling sounded like thunder, so pleasing to the ears.
Oh my God. This time, he did it a little slower, and he won't be able to get back to his beautiful wife in time.